What are the benefits of practical application in learning? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grasp concepts faster than others? One of the secrets lies in practical application. So, what are the benefits of this approach in learning? Let's break it down. Practical application means actively using knowledge through hands-on activities, real-life examples, experiments, or simulations. This method is much more engaging than just reading or listening. When learners physically do tasks or solve problems, they connect abstract ideas to concrete experiences. This connection helps make information more memorable, especially for those who learn best through movement and touch, known as kinesthetic learners. Another benefit is that applying knowledge in real-world contexts enhances comprehension. When learners practice concepts, they see how theories work in practice. This not only deepens their understanding but also reveals details that might be missed through passive study. For instance, a student learning about physics can better grasp the laws of motion by conducting a simple experiment rather than just reading about them. Practical application also strengthens retention and recall. When learners actively engage with the material, they trigger multiple senses and cognitive processes. This makes it easier to remember information over time. Techniques like role-playing, simulations, or building models create meaningful experiences that stick in the mind. Imagine a biology student who builds a model of a cell versus one who only reads about it. The hands-on experience will likely lead to better retention. Moreover, practical application develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Learners must adapt knowledge to new situations, analyze outcomes, and adjust strategies. This builds higher-order thinking abilities that are essential for both academic and professional success. For example, a student working on a group project must collaborate and think critically to solve problems that arise. Lastly, practical application boosts motivation and confidence. Completing hands-on tasks provides immediate feedback and a sense of accomplishment. This encourages continued effort and persistence. When learners see the results of their hard work, they are more likely to stay engaged and motivated. From a study hacks perspective, incorporating practical application can be done in various ways. You can integrate experiments, create models, engage in role-playing exercises, or use physical objects to illustrate concepts during study sessions. This approach complements other effective study techniques like spaced repetition and active recall by providing a dynamic way to reinforce learning. In essence, practical application transforms learning from a passive to an active process. It improves engagement, understanding, memory, critical thinking, and motivation. These factors are key for effective and lasting learning. So, the next time you study, think about how you can apply what you learn in a practical way. It could make all the difference in your educational journey.